What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Apple Insider, where we usually cover all things Apple, but today, we're diving into the future of foldables. Samsung is reportedly gearing up to launch the Galaxy Z Fold 7 in 2025, and let's just say, things are about to get crazy. We've seen the leaks, the patents, and the rumors, and it looks like Samsung is about to take foldable tech to the next level. So, what's new? Let's talk design first. One of the biggest complaints about the Z Fold series: the thickness. Well, Samsung might finally fix that with a triple folding design. Instead of a single hinge, imagine a device that folds in two places, giving you even more screen real estate when fully opened, while staying ultra compact when closed. That's right, this could be the slimmest fold yet. Another major change: the crease, or should I say, the disappearance of it. Samsung's been working on a next-gen ultra-thin glass that's not just stronger but also significantly reduces the crease visibility. So, no more distractions when you're watching movies or editing on the go. And check this out, the under-display camera technology is getting a massive upgrade. The last few Z Folds had UDCs, but let's be honest, they weren't great. This time, Samsung is reportedly using a new pixel arrangement that makes the camera truly invisible while improving image quality. Selfie game, stronger than ever. Now, let's talk power. Rumors suggest the Fold 7 will pack the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 or Samsung's own Exynos AI processor, designed to enhance on-device AI. We're talking real-time AI-generated text, advanced photo editing, and even smarter multitasking. The AI race is heating up, and Samsung wants in. And what's a futuristic foldable without all-day battery life? We're hearing whispers of a stacked battery design similar to what Apple's working on. This could mean better efficiency and faster charging, possibly even 100W wired charging and next-gen wireless speeds. Oh, and here's something wild. Samsung might be integrating an S Pen slot directly into the Fold 7. No more carrying it separately, no more magnetic attachments, just a seamless, built-in stylus for your foldable productivity dreams. So, is this the foldable that finally converts die-hard Apple users? We'll have to wait and see, but one thing's for sure, Samsung is pushing boundaries like never before. Alright, that's a wrap for today. What do you think? Will Apple respond with a foldable iPhone, or is Samsung running the foldable game solo? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.